Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. This video is about my trip to Patagonia. I'm now in Puerto Montt. Here's where I stayed for I think 3 weeks now. I said a minute ago, I said goodbye to Omar, my friend here, my amigo, and my car is ready. Everything is in the car, so I'm ready to go now. I'm a little bit nervous for my trip, but it will be awesome. It's now rainy, but yeah, I like it to go. And it's now the 1st of March, like I think it's the 4th of March, but it's now in the beginning of March. And yeah, I think I will travel for 4 weeks in the south, and then yeah, I'm really nervous. I'm a little bit nervous, and yeah, I like it, so follow me. Hey, finally there's the boat behind me, and I'm now going to the south, and there I can drive the rest of Patagonia. I'm now in Hoorn-op-Pieren or something like that, and yeah, I'm really looking forward. It's pretty cold, the sun is not really shiny, but yeah, I like it. Hey, I'm now 24 hours here in Patagonia. Today I arrived at the boat, and I'm sorry I didn't record that much. The weather is terrible. It's really cloudy, it's only rain, the roads are bad, so I'm a little bit down, and it's really shit that I'm in one of the most wonderful parts of the world, and it's rainy, it's cloudy. I don't even see the mountains. I know there are mountains, but I can't see them because it's cloudy. So I'm a little bit down, but I know when there is a dip, there is always a up after a dip. Good morning. It's a new day, but it's the same weather. It's rainy all over the place, and it's clouded. So I pack my stuff and drive more to the south, and then yeah, I hope the weather will change, but you never know how deep the down is. But yeah, I can't wait to have the sun again and to see the beautiful colors and the beautiful lakes. I drove almost 3 days in rain, but now at the moment that I'm driving, I see there are the clouds, and if I look there, it's like free. I'm so unbelievable happy, and now you see how beautiful the sky, how beautiful the landscape is. The mountains are, I felt it was beautiful, but I couldn't see it because of the cloud. But now, holy shit, it's really good. Man, you see the snow really around the top. You see some snow and waterfalls. Man, holy shit, prepare yourself for some pictures. Good morning. Last night I slept here at the tank station. There in the back, behind me you see the car, and today I'm so happy. It's not rainy now. It's the sun is up, so I think it's a beautiful day today. Maybe I go for a walk, or yeah, I'm not sure. I will drive a little bit and then I think I'll walk through the nature. So that's really nice. My God, the weather is really beautiful. And yesterday I spoke about a down and down, and now it's an up. But it's not a normal up. It's the most beautiful up. Look where I am. Look at this sky. It's so unbelievable beautiful. This is a beautiful landscape where I'm driving. I drive now for almost 100 kilometers on stones like this. The roads are really bad here in it's really bad. And but yeah, for so far it goes good, and the landscape is wonderful, so it doesn't matter. So that was really cool, the marble caves. Now I'm at the campsite. It's a beautiful campsite. It's really relaxed. Nobody's here. I parked my car there with my roof tent, and I need to show you something inside. Wait a second. I'm now in the campsite in Patagonia, and here is a map. That's really important. Here is a map, and I will tell you something. This is the whole trip from Patagonia to the softest place on earth. This is what I drive, and let's say almost the red part, like this. I did all of this, and then I'm now here. You see, almost halfway, and it's really close to the border of Argentina. This is Argentina and this is Chile. And now I'm going, tomorrow I will go to Argentina and drive so to the south and visit here the national park, and after that I go to the softest place called Ushuaia. And yeah, that's my plan. So I stay here for some days to make my website ready, make everything ready, and yeah, edit this video. I hope you like this video. Please push the like button, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.